Greetings! Hello my loves and welcome back to Ivana Face Paint. Today we're going to be doing Alice in Wonderland and I'm super excited because I've been wanting to do this one for weeks and I just haven't had the supplies to do everything, but I finally got them and we're going to attempt it because the ideas I have in my head, I'm still not sure how I want to do them yet, so we're just winging it this time. I'm normally winging it, but we're definitely winging it today. As usual, there's gonna be a little twist for her. She's not gonna be the nice, happy, blonde, happy Alice. She's going to be the dark, creepy, psychotic, scary Alice from the video games that they have made of her, where she's like in a nightmare the entire time and she's actually crazy and it's like in her head or something. I haven't gotten to play them in a long time, but I remember them being really creepy and she's walking around with a knife and just murdering everybody. Super dark. So I'm gonna do her version. So hopefully it comes out the way that I'm expecting it to. So I decided to buy a couple things since the last video. Today I went and got me some primer and I got some more lipstick and I got a kitty. And her name is Luna. She's so sweet, except for when she's not, because right now she's a little bit wild. Oh, you can see. And she just put her down now. She loves me most of the time. But yeah, if you guys remind me, then maybe sometime I will try to turn myself into Luna. I think that could be a fun video to make. Okay, so to start, I am going to pale myself out like crazy in this one. So I'm just gonna cover myself in this white cream paint because that's all I mainly have left at this moment. I need to go shopping for some actual supplies. As always, I forgot to take my lip ring out. I mean, I guess this Alice could have one, but I think I'm gonna take it out. Okay, now let's get back to it. This stuff really does stretch out a lot though. Like I just keep rubbing and rubbing and rubbing and it just keeps spreading. Ridiculous. So I might as well put it on my lips too. Okay, now that I got the paint on, we are going to start with the makeup.
Okay, so we will first take our lightest shade of powder and start applying it over the white paint.
So now I'm gonna start contouring my face.
For contouring, I just take my 24K Nudes Maybelline palette and apply the dark brown color. For my cheeks, I actually take the darkest shade of Fit Me powder that I have and apply it like blush, and then I put my actual blush over top of that and mix it in.
Okay, now let's do the eyebrows, which are basically just going to be the same as my eyebrows. Now I'm going to blend. She seems to have a little bit of redness all over her cheeks, so I'm going to add a little bit of pinkness. Really all over her face at this point.
Next, we apply our lipstick, and I actually mixed two colors for this. One was like a chocolatey brown color, and the other was kind of like a pinkish purple color over top of that. Moving on to eyeshadow, we will actually start with the same color that we contoured with. We're actually going to be applying it pretty heavily around her eyes, so that way it gives Alice that like psychotic, tired, worn out look. So just completely around your eye and then also kind of apply it with a little brush like an eyeliner.
So in the video game version, I remember that she would be attacked by like the queen and her weird cardmen and they would throw like cards at her and slice her up. So that's kind of a little bit of a twist that I have on this. And I think I'm gonna make it like one kind of landed on her eye a little bit, maybe like right above it, and another one's gonna be going into her neck. So, but first, I think I wanna go ahead and get her clothes painted on and then we will get to that part. And I'm not gonna add my mascara yet because I haven't decided on which eye. I'll do that later. Alright guys, break! I'm gonna use my eyeliner pencil to outline. My shirt's uneven. How'd that happen? I'm gonna up a little bit more. There we go. Good enough. Alright, we'll start with the white. I don't really have much white left, which sucks a lot. Now we'll do the blue.
At this point, I just take the black paint to give the clothes some shading and texture. And now we will highlight our clothes with white paint. As you can see, I used the same color that I contoured with to do shading on the white part of my clothes, and I'm also doing that around the neck too.
Okay guys, now that we got our makeup and our paint on, we are going to do the last part, which will be the cards wedged into my face and my neck. We're just gonna see how this goes. So I'm actually gonna be using my bought synthetic wax for this stuff. I don't like the synthetic wax. Okay, so there's a giant red spot on my neck because I was gonna try that synthetic wax and I don't like it for this particular video. I'm gonna use latex like I enjoy using. I'm surprised I like it more, at least for this. Faux show.
Okay, so to make the spots for the cards to sit in, you will apply latex to your skin and then take little pieces of toilet paper, roll them up, and kind of make an oval shape in a way, or a cut shape, and then you will apply latex over that. And then we will shove the cards in there and just apply some latex around it to help hold it on.
Okay, and while that dries, we're gonna start on above our eye.
I tried so hard to make that synthetic wax work, so I put it over my eyebrow in hopes that it would protect my eyebrow, but it actually didn't do anything to really help my eyebrow. It was still painful to take off later.
Okay, start bruising the other one while this one dries.
To get that bruised look, we will apply our blush around the cut area, and then we will take our Ashes color from the Naked Urban Decay Heat Palette and apply it over top of that.
And now I'm gonna go ahead and start applying my oil-based paint that gives it that nasty, bloody look. And then we'll work on the other one.
I actually figured out that it's not oil-based, it's a cream paint, but it was just so old that it became oily, which is disgusting. But anyway, you'll mix a red and black to get that nasty, bloody, gross look.
I got the cards put on and I went ahead and added my mascara, and as you can see I made it a little bit messy because she is like losing her mind and she hasn't slept in days and she has cards stuck in her face. So this is basically it. I'm gonna go put my contacts in and add some blood to this and put my wig on, and then I'll show you all the finished look. I had some trouble putting my contacts in this time for some reason, so it kind of made my eyes red and watery, which added to the look quite a bit actually, so I like it. I think it turned out pretty cool. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Make sure you like and subscribe. If you have any questions, concerns, or requests, please let me know in the comments. I'll catch you all next week.